My name is Robin Shipley-Gurko, and I teach AP Chemistry here at Plano Senior High. AP Chemistry is a college-level course. It would be what you would take as a freshman in college. What's a little bit different here at Plano Senior High than at college is we mirror the lab experience to the lecture, which is not always what happens in a college experience. We have hands-on experiences and lab experiences, do lots of teaching, less lecture, lots of demos. So I would like to show you one demo that students love to see every year. It's called Elephant Toothpaste. Maybe you've heard about it. So it is a demo that we would use to show how a catalyst speeds up a chemical reaction. So what I have here is hydrogen peroxide. And you might know that hydrogen peroxide is used to kill critters, bugs, in a given infection or a wound. And you know that if you pour hydrogen peroxide on the wound, it bubbles because it generates oxygen gas. Well, that reaction without a catalyst occurs very, very slowly. I don't see a whole lot of bubbles here at all. Okay? So what I'm going to do is add some soap. I'm going to make sure I put my goggles on, because we need to do things safely. Just a second, I'm going to put my goggles on. So right now I see quite a few bubbles, but I don't see bubbles that are continuing to be formed. There's bubbles there only because of the soap. The soap's going to make bubbles. Okay? So I want to speed up the chemical reaction. So one way to do that is to add a catalyst. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a catalyst. So this goes fast. Wow, look at that toothpaste. Now, how could I test to make sure that it's oxygen coming off there? I can feel the steam coming off. Maybe you can see that steam. I'm going to take a wooden splint here and light it. And then I'm going to go put it in here. Up. Come on. We might have lost that part. Let me try it one more time. Sometimes demos do that. Sometimes demos don't always do what we'd like them to do. Can you see that the flame is brighter now? Okay, maybe you can see that it's glowing more. Okay. Well, these are the type of demos that we do all the time. Can you see what happens when I put this in here? Well, this would be one of 100 different demos that we do in AP Chemistry. And then we take the observations and link that to bigger ideas in class. The math requirement for this class is Algebra 2 or better. So I would suggest that you would have already taken Algebra 2 before you take this class. I have lots of students asking, should I take it as a junior? Should I take it as a senior? And really it doesn't matter, whichever one you feel most comfortable. You do need to be aware that this particular class is a 2-block class. So you're going to have to consider the time that this takes. It's a 2-block class because our labs take time, and we need the 2 hours to get done with those labs. In terms of homework, I would say you usually have about 3 to 4 hours of homework weekly, okay? In the past 10 years, I would say PSHS has had at least about an 85% passing rate on the end of exam AP test. Of that, 70% of our students get a 4 or 5. So we're very successful in getting students through this test and then having them earn credit. A little bit about myself. I have a master's in chemistry and have PhD coursework in chemistry. I've taught for 33 years and have taught AP chemistry for 16 of those years. It's my honor to teach your students this central science. If AP chemistry is in your bag, come on over. We'd love to see you. Bye-bye.